Let's take a look at a slick little tool from Macabacus. If we look at the bottom row here, we have the ability to take a peek inside these cells to see what the formulas are and then quickly switch them back. Let's dive in and take a look at how this tool works. Let's take a look at the first cell. If we hit F2, we can hop in and then go all the way to the beginning and put a single quote in. When we put a single quote here, this is basically telling Excel to treat everything after the single quote as simply text. So when we hit enter, what we see is all of this treated as text. This allows us to take a look at the formula and study it and see what's happening. In order to reverse this, we'd pop up here, hit F2, back to the beginning, and simply delete that single quote, and now we can hit enter and everything's live again. This is not something that people do in Excel too often, largely because it's difficult and it involves a lot of keystrokes. This is where Macabacus can really help. What we're going to be demonstrating here is right up in the Macabacus section of the ribbon, in this model section, and under formulas, we have the ability here to comment cells. And as we can see, the shortcut is going to be Control-Alt single quote. Let's give that a shot. So all we need to do is make sure these cells are selected and hit Control-Alt single quote, and instantly we've turned them into comments. What's even better, this works as a cycle. So we just hit that shortcut again, and we turn them back into legit formulas. One thing that we should note is that if we went up here where we're showing the 20% discount, if we were to comment these cells, we would get errors down below because the cells below, as you can see, are dependent on that value of 20%. Let's take a look at that and see how it works. For example, let's hop up here, select all these cells with 20% and hit that shortcut, Control-Alt single quote. We comment the cells and then we can see a value error down below because again, these are connected up to a cell that just has a comment in it. Now that we've had a chance to check on these formulas, we can pop right up here and hit the shortcut again, Control-Alt single quote, puts them back to the way they were. It's important to remember that there are actually a whole suite of tools available in Macabacus to help us review and audit the work that we've done in Excel. Turning cells into comments in a native copy of Excel may not make sense because there's too many keystrokes involved, but with Macabacus, we can quickly just comment them on and then back off super fast. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.